Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to my channel and my kitchen. So I know recently I did a lot of recipes, well not a lot, but a few recipes with pumpkin. But not only it's autumn and I have a lot of pumpkins, but come on, recipes with pumpkins are great, right? I promise you it's going to be one of the last, probably the last, maybe, not sure. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you a super easy, simple, sweet recipe. This pumpkin cake is going to blow your mind. So pumpkin has always been a popular ingredient in the cuisine of my area, Reggio Emilia and Emilia-Romagna, right? And mostly in the past times when families in the countryside were quite poor, they would have eaten everything from pumpkin. And well, this cake is part of that tradition. So it's not something fancy, not at all, but it's so simple and the result is so delicious, so creamy, so pumpkiny, and also with a touch of amaretto, you will love it, I promise you. So let's start right now. First of all, let's mash our cooked pumpkin. Time for amaretti cookies. So you might find different amaretti cookies. There are the soft one and the dry ones. What you have to look for is the dry ones. This is one of the most popular brand of amaretti. I always use this one also in Italy. Crush the amaretti. Of course, you can use also a mixer. And it's already time to combine all the ingredients. So I'm using my KitchenAid. I place into it the pumpkin pulp, the white flour, cane sugar, amaretti cookies, 2 eggs, soft butter, 1 dose of baking yeast, and it's already vanilla flavored. If it's not, you can add vanilla by yourself, a touch of cinnamon, and a small glass of Sassolino. Short break, just to explain you quickly what is Sassolino. So Sassolino, as you can see, let's try to focus on the label. Yes, Sassolino is basically an anise-based liqueur, kind of like sambuca, but not exactly. And it's something really typical in the cuisine of my area, used for many sweet recipes. So if you can't find this liqueur, try to use anise-based liqueur. Even sambuca can be fine, but really this gives a super unique touch to your dessert. So Sassolino, this is the magic ingredient. Now combine until you obtain a creamy texture. If the pumpkin results a little bit too watery in your opinion, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour. Pour the mixture into a baking pan, previously buttered and covered with breadcrumbs. Level the surface and bake at 180 degrees Celsius into a conventional oven for 45 minutes up to an hour. Let cool down completely the cake, because it's going to be quite soft since we didn't use that much flour. Then you can serve it. Because it's such a easy and simple cake, I suggest you to use just a little bit of icing sugar on the top. Here I'm doing a super simple decoration using different size cups. And your super soft pumpkin cake, it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you're gonna try it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to support my recipes. Buon appetito!